You guys asked for this?
Huda dunked her face and her makeup didn't move, while I sweat while walking to the car. So we are going to do dunk test today. We live in Dubai and definitely need something that can hold our makeup in this heat. Okay. I am excited but definitely nervous. Okay. I don't know how to do it. Oh, I am drenching in water. I don't know why I'm laughing. No makeup on the tissue. I definitely didn't expect this kind of step out. It's definitely giving makeup tattooed on my face energy. This setting spray has definitely earned a spot in my vanity. Also because I don't want to waste my money. You danced, you cried, you danced, but your makeup still slays.